What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I know I've been MIA for the last couple of days. Obviously Easter Sunday we were doing a lot of stuff with the family, with multiple families. So yeah, it was really fun to be able to do that and just get away from everything. Obviously, I wanted to come on here and talk about different things and stuff and all of that. Um, but I didn't really have the time to do it, and I felt like a day can go by. Now, um, today I did not do a live stream either, and that's just because we have Harper for Easter break that they have. So eventually we will be back with the live streams. I'm not done with the live streams for people that are asking me. I'm coming back to doing some live streams, but we may not see as much. I feel like it's fun to be able to do those things and have the live streams, but it does take a lot of time. And I could just be creating the videos for the morning and then have the rest of the day to do so much more in creating different videos, different content, and stuff like that. So either way, we're going to be back with some live streams. We're going to be back with a lot of videos, and I'm here today as well as on the NFA channel. We should have some uploads over there. Um, if you guys do want to see more of me, I have a golf channel, which I am uploading quite a bit to. I'm trying to upload frequently, every single day, make it consistent. But, it's been tough to do that as well, obviously. I just talked about the reasons. But yeah, if you want to see that, go over to the golf channel and link should be down in the description. But today, I wanted to talk about where cryptocurrency is because I feel like even though we have hit this before, I feel like this is definitely an important like milestone to surpass, and where we are currently, even though it may not hold above this level, but the more or the higher it goes above this level, the more likely that this is going to become more of a support rather than a resistance in any way. um, so I wanted to talk about the crypto market. So where it is right now, which it is at a $1.2 trillion market cap, and just talk about the overall market in this video and where it stands. So hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are down in the description as well. I apologize for Twitter and Patreon. Again, with Harper home, it's like very difficult to get to a lot of that stuff. I want to make sure I spend some time with her and go outside and play and all that type of stuff that we love to do. But we will figure it out because in the summertime it's going to be the same way. So we'll figure it out, and we want to make sure that we have enough content for everything. So, anyways, that's enough explaining. Let's go into where the crypto market is today. And you're going to see that the crypto market is at a $1.21 trillion market cap. It's up 3% today. We're seeing that Bitcoin's dominance has increased. It's up to 46% today. And that's a majority of the gains that you're seeing because obviously Bitcoin has a high market cap, and the more that it moves in the higher percentages, we're seeing a higher and higher market cap. It's currently standing at a 565 million or billion dollar market cap. We're seeing it close to a $30,000 price, which is definitely a level that we want to surpass. Then would be 35. Well, obviously there's levels in between, but a major level is like 35, and then seeing those five levels, right, where it does surpass those levels, and people are excited and want to get into it and make institutions and big money want to drive the market up, and basically by pumping it with a ton of money. You're also seeing Ethereum that is up about 3%, over 3%. It's at about 1900. It's at $1,898. And the last 7 days, it's up about 5.45%. And if we scroll down here, sorry, if we scroll down here, we're going to see that, XRP is up about 1%. It's at 1.7%. Cardano's up 1% here, almost up to that 40-cent level. Dogecoin has kind of fallen back down from where it was, down 12% in the last 7 days, but still up today about 1.5%. Polygon up 2.5% or 2.6%. Solana is up 2.2%. You're seeing Polkadot, it's up 1.6%. Let's scroll down here to Shiba Inu. It's up 1% as well. Litecoin's up 3%. What is a notable move? Let's see percentage-wise to see what's the largest percent. We see CFX, that's up 13.6%. RNDR is up about 10% in the last 24 hours. So not really any like crazy moves. We're not seeing anything that's like 24, 25, obviously with some of those lower coins that are not in the top 100. Maybe you'll see some of those that are moving quite a bit. But everything that's within the like top 100, top 200, we're not really seeing them move that much. But it is, a decent amount of movement overall to where it's creating a ton of green in the market rather than seeing that sea of red. So things look absolutely amazing for cryptocurrency, and I think we're hitting a certain level, a certain milestone, right? 1.2 was an important level for a while before we dropped down to those lows of about a $700 billion market cap for the overall market. We were at 1.2 for a while, 1.3 to or 1.2 to 1.3 for a while. So these are significant levels and really creates, kind of stronger levels of support. And we want to see it actually be a level of support rather than just being a level of resistance, right? Currently, as it does break above 1.2, it goes to 1.25, 1.29, right? Then we start to see 1.2 be that level of support. And we could see things that do run well above that, and we can feel comfortable for the people that invested at some of these low levels below $1 trillion market cap, which a lot of people have, especially people that have been watching my channel. You've been investing in some of these plays at a way lower market cap. And the only thing we're really waiting for is this larger bull run, which can come when we have institutions, we have firms, we have big money that's looking to invest into it. When more money is flowing into businesses, which we do have inflation data to understand what's going to happen there, then we have a massive push to the market. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen here. But, we're baby stepping our way into it, or taking some baby steps, slowly getting back to normal, as I said in the title here. And I think we're getting there. I think we're going to find a way to all become successful here, whether it's, short-term success, whether it's long-term success, whether you're taking profits, gradually as you see it, increase, or you're taking profits at the max level or wherever, right? It's all about people that are investing and being able to find the positive side of investing rather than the negative side that we've seen for a year plus. So anyways, market looks great. We do have some things that are going on, which is kind of weird that we're seeing the market go pretty well, but you see a South Korea crypto exchange hacked for nearly $13 million. You see what's happening with Terraport and just hacks and negative news and all that stuff, and we still have the overall crypto market that's up about 3%. So let me know what you're thinking about the crypto market. Are you excited about where we are? Do you feel like we're slowly getting back to normal, or do you think that we're going to see a pullback when we do have inflation data? Do you believe that that's going to be negative, or do you believe it's going to be positive there? Let me know your opinions down in the comment section below. Also, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.